Good morning. We just had our morning session with Coach Burt. I'm Ria, and here are my 10 lessons learned on today's topic, the purpose of the follow-up and how to use it for millions. Number 1, the purpose of the follow-up is to rekindle an initial excitement. I saw it, I have the money to do it, and I lost attention. Number 2, when I see opportunity, it is my responsibility to follow up on the opportunity. This is called the maturation of the lead. Number 3, I believe in customer engagement because the referral is where it comes from. Number 4, the object at rest stays at rest unless activated by an outside force. Number 5, you say, oh, we don't have money. We don't have opportunity. We are missing it if we don't follow up. Number 6, there is so much opportunity if we just follow up. Number 7, figure it out if you're key man down and serious about your business. Number 8, you're never closing doors at 5 o'clock. Number 9, follow up on your red zones. Number 10, it's a matter of who is getting to get out and get it. So here are my 10 lessons learned. I hope you learned something. Take care and God bless.